Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The traditional institution, religious leaders, labor, civil societies as well as non-governmental organizations were allowed to make brief presentations at the venue. Senator Sabi Abdullahi is the chairman of the committee overseeing Minna Centre.
It's not a people's constitution. In other words, that they argue that the constitution and forced down on us by the military without any input from we the people input. There are developmental challenges in our country. Many argue that these challenges are due to several factors, which include history, culture, natural environment, and politics. We have a compulsory duty to carefully address every challenge in this nation, and there is no better way to do it than through this constitutional amendment exercise.
He assured participants of fair treatment and their contributions will be taken into consideration as presented.
Members of the traditional institutions normally sit or have regular interaction with or access to the areas, kings, chiefs, obas, or music council. This combination of members' membership of the traditional institution gives them the advantage of being respected by both the ethnic and religious communities. Therefore, they have the capacity to positively influence the participation of all ethnic nationalities and religious groups in any project or program.
Since 1976, when Niger State was created, every other state in the northern part of this country has been subdivided. Sokoto has given way to giving birth to Kebbi and Zamfara, Kano to Jigawa, Kaduna to Katsina, Borno to Yobe, Bauchi to Gombe, Adamawa to Taraba, Plateau giving birth to Nasarawa. Niger State is the only state that has not been subdivided at all since 1976.
Talking about gender equality, things that also affect us as individuals.
Declaring the session open, Governor Abubakar Bello described the exercise as timely, saying it will serve as an avenue to articulate ideas that, if well utilized, would guarantee economic growth and peaceful coexistence.
Consider as a country the nature and type of constitution we want. In addition to other issues like autonomy for local governments, legislative and judiciary, we also need to carefully consider the concurrent and exclusive lists, the evolution of powers, and other issues that are cardinal to the survival of the country.
The two attempts made in the past to review the Nigeria's 1999 constitution were not successful.